Come on, Diana. Don't be bashful.
I'm not bashful.
You said it once. Just say it again.
I absolutely won't. You need to learn how to listen to other people, Akko.
It's not my fault if you came up with all those big words. Your English is too hard Oh! Hey, Diana. Listen carefully to this then. Diana, gaski dayo.
You know that I don't understand Japanese. Are you making fun of me now?
No! Honto dayo. Kimi ga suki dayo. Repeat after me.
Kimi ga suki da yo. Akko?
I made you say it again. I love you too, Diana.
Akko! What? You don't shout! Why does nothing ever go the way I expect with you, Milady Atsuko?
You're such a gentleman, Diana. So have you visited Japan? Want to go see something?
I would love to do so.
I'm afraid you won't find anything magic related around here though.
It's okay.